What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the channel. Happy Wednesday. Yesterday, our Tuesday $200 promo code winner got a hold of me. He got his 200. And today, we're going to pick another one. If you commented on yesterday's video, you're going to see who won today. And I'm going to tell you how to get a chance to win today also. So stick around. We're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to take a look at that resistance line. And what does that mean? What happens if we break it? Where do we go? And what happens if it holds as resistance? How low could we go? We're going to talk about that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think of the video. And all right, guys, we're starting out with CNBC. Dow Jones up 104, S&P's up 27, Nasdaq's up 160. Why is it up so high, you ask? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Well, let's see. Nvidia's Hong says he's surprised AMD offered 10% of the company in clever open AI deal. Anything that says AI pumps the markets, right? Eventually this is going to end. It's going to end bad. AI is going to be announced as the biggest bubble ever in history. In my opinion, I could be wrong, and markets go up forever and just create hyperinflation. Either way, we are screwed as normal everyday people. But again, you let me know what you think in the comments below. One way to get ahead is learn how to trade. That way you make money when the markets go up and you make money when the markets go down. One of the best exchanges to do that, in my opinion, is Prime XBT. Why? Because you can trade traditional markets also, not just crypto. Although they've added tons of crypto, you can use your crypto to trade against traditional markets. Right, so if you use a traditional exchange and you want to trade on leverage and do a put or a call and get a time frame, and then when you lose, you owe a bunch of money. It's not like that on Prime. You can only lose what you risk. It can't keep going past beyond what you're risking, right? Whatever's in your trade account is what you're willing to lose as a trade. In traditional exchanges, it doesn't work like that. So if you're interested, click the Prime XBT link below. You can get up to a $7,000 bonus by using my link. It'll do 30% of whatever you deposit, they'll match. So anyways, let's get into it. So Bitcoin, there is our trend line that we've been watching. This is huge, guys, huge. As you can see back here, we hit it. We still made a higher high, which we could do again without breaking the trend line. But the big deal is if this trend line breaks, guys, where could it go? As you can see, we have some super high numbers. We'll go into the smaller count in a minute and we'll pick yesterday's winner. But before we do, let's look at these targets. So the blue line right here is just going from this trend line off the bottoms, right? And then we have this trend line off the bottoms, right? So also, what are these? These are November of 2026, where if the traditional bear market 4-year cycle is going into effect and we've topped here, these are the low numbers that we could go to. Let's see what the percentages is on these, right? So let's say we topped now. Not saying we have, but let's say we did. If we went down to 32,000, that would get us about 73% decline, right? Let's see if we go down to the 7 to 8, let's say $7,000 to $9,000 range. It's about a 90 to 95%. So is it possible? Absolutely possible. Does it mean it has to? Absolutely not. But these are the low lows. These are the high highs, right? And these are just, so if you take the yellow one, we're just going from the measured move from here, bring it up to where it broke out. And that gets us approximately 244, 245 range. These are my extremely high numbers if we open and close a couple weeklies above this trend line. Not to say we can't get a week above. Now, let's say that this continued until December, right? Let's look at where that would be. So December, the end of December, if it went all the way to the very end of December, 129.5-ish. So if this does end in December without breaking this trend line, we could be as high as 130. We've had that target for a while, right? We come back down, play around in here for a while, come up, get rejected, and come down. Is that what's going to happen? Or are we going to break this and see a massive, huge FOMO rally to literally double Bitcoin's price? That is a possibility to be aware of. But until we break that trend line with confidence and it holds we still could just look at this as resistance and the beginning of a big downturn. So let's take a look at another count. So this is our falling channel that we broke out of. The target is 130.3 ish, right? So what we did, we took that here in the Elliott wave count. We did get rejected right where we expected, guys. If you've been watching the channel, we were looking for about that 125.8 to 126 range. Boom, we nailed it. Now looking to come back down here. Could we have hit wave 4 here? It is possible in that we rally back up, right? Or we could go as low as 118-ish, right? This fourth wave, it just can't break wave 1. If it breaks wave 1 at 118, if that breaks, then we're probably going much, much further down, and that was it. Kapoosh, it's gone, done. And this was just a ABC, right? And then a continuation of the downside. So be careful there. And all right, let's get it. Let's see who won yesterday's. We'll pick a random comment from yesterday's video. Obviously, this ain't the video. This is the video here. Whoops. Wait a minute. Let me get that off there. Here we go. So yesterday's video right here. Let's pick a random comment. Don't forget, you need to be subscribed to the channel. Get a hold of me. If this is you, Susie Conway, every group chat. Oh, this is these scam freaking comments. Guys, I get so tired of deleting them. Please help me, people, by reporting them. Here's a new one. Quorden. Please report that. Anything that says Grok, report it. Grok, oh my gosh, I was deleting them all day yesterday and they still got in. So here we are. Pawn Star 95 would really appreciate the 200 for the next swing short. You are the winner. Get a hold of me, Pawn Star. You've been around forever. Glad to see you're still here. Anyways, make sure you guys leave a comment in this video and you could be announced as the winner in tomorrow's video. So thanks again for watching, everybody. Don't forget, subscribe, smash the thumbs up, comment below, and share the video if you would. I would appreciate it. If you belong to any groups or anything like that, just share. I appreciate it. And I will catch you guys tomorrow.